It's like 6:20-ish in the morning. But yeah, on my way from Houston to San Antonio, and Buc-ee's is a guaranteed stop because I have to eat breakfast. And of course, I'm gonna get the beast burrito. So I just got to, damn it. I need to get that water bottle, but I'll get it later. I just got to San Antonio for the UTSA Alumni Tournament. For frisbee, I'm currently a mess right now. But, I'm excited to see the boys. Steven's in town. He lives in Virginia now. But man, this is fucking rough. Yeah, that'll work, I guess. Steven's in town, but he was overseas for several months actually. So it'll be nice to see him in person, because I haven't seen him in like 3 or 4 years. It'll be cool to see Gare Bear. I saw him on New Year's though. And then Chach. I saw him a couple weeks ago for one of our friends' weddings. But it'll be cool to see them. And then also just see all the old UTSA alumni, like Sky. I don't think John will be here, but those boys. And then just see the current UTSA team and see how they're doing. I think I'm going to play them today. So that should be interesting. Hopefully we win that. Doesn't sound good. But hopefully we win that game. And then, yeah, be on our merry way. So that's on the agenda today. I don't need to walk all the way over there. But yeah. That's Steven, that's Jason. I think everyone knows James already, and that's Gare Bear.
How do you do that?
Bro, no, it hurts my knee.
I can't do that.
I think I could go negative.
I literally...
Are you hurting a little bit, Jason? No, it hurts my hips when I try to do it.
I think I can go negative. His knee popped.
I feel like I'm tearing a card into my knee.
Okay.
How'd you break your fucking knee?
Yeah, well, funny story.
I went negative, bro. Yeah. It was at Fuego after.
I broke my knee trying to go negative.
See you, Jason. See you, Gare Bear.
Alright, see you later, one.
Yeah.
Dude,
skiing.
I'll see you in like...
Oh, of course. Am I dying in your arms tonight? Oh, I don't want to die tonight.
Maybe. I'll see. I don't know. I don't get to control my dreams.
Fair enough. But yeah, have a safe flight back to...
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, shit.
People are looking out the window like, what the
fuck? See you, boys. I'll be on later tonight. It's almost midnight, but after I got back from San Antonio, I hung out with Nikki because we had to catch up because it's been a minute. And then I hung out with my parents for a bit at the house. And then I got home. But yeah, I don't know. This weekend was super nice. I got to see the Gardenia gang, minus Jimmy because he was skiing, but I'll see him soon. And then got to see all of the Goosebumps people to celebrate JT's wedding, which that was super nice. And then lastly, I got to see all the San Antonio homies from college, which was like great to see as well. But yeah, just, you know, as cliche as it sounds, it's you never know when like you know, you won't see someone again. So like, I don't know, it's just refreshing to see all the cool people I've met over the years. But yeah, with that being said, like I said earlier, it's fucking almost midnight, so I'm gonna go to bed. I have work tomorrow, so peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?